we have seen a revolution in mobility. We can now run our lives from virtually anywhere. The problem? We all want to boost productivity, but how can we do it? Introducing Zcan Wireless, the world's first wireless scanner mouse. Our product is small and portable and gives users more freedom than ever before. It's the ultimate solution for working anywhere with just a click. Everything you scan will display instantly on your computer screen. Work smart and increase your efficiency with Zcan Wireless. It has the ability to scan tables and text in only a few swipes. You can even direct edit on your documents. Plan your romantic journey by using Zcan Wireless. Just glide Zcan Wireless over travel books and magazines and create the ultimate itinerary in a snap. Found something worth sharing with your friends? Simply swipe Zcan Wireless over the area you like and share on your social media pages with a single click. Be an adventurous eater. Zcan Wireless can help you to translate foreign languages and make sure you can try new things and actually know what they are. Zcan Wireless can even organize everything for you. You can conveniently organize your most important notes and meeting minutes and store in Evernote.
Imagine if you could wear your thoughts. Introducing Broadcast Wear, the world's first programmable digital t-shirt that allows you to customize your t-shirt's slogan as often as you like. Here's how it works. A very thin LED panel is connected to a rechargeable battery and a Bluetooth chip. You can send text or design to the t-shirt by using your smartphone. Download the Broadcast Wear app and pair your t-shirt with your smartphone. Create the design pattern and type the text you want to be displayed on your t-shirt. Using the app, send the created design pattern or text to your t-shirt. Text or design can be changed as many times as you want, and designs can be stored in the library for future use. Designs can be shared with the broadcast community and other users. The t-shirt is extremely comfortable and the LED panel is flexible. Broadcast Wear's LEDs are 100% waterproof, making the t-shirt completely washable. Switch on or off by tapping the logo. Swipe on the logo to change the image. The t-shirt is available in multiple colors, and you can choose from either a round neck or a collar. One t-shirt, countless thoughts.
Introducing Space 3D, the most affordable large-size SLA 3D printer, allowing you to create bigger prints for bigger dreams. Higher precision, larger printing size, and all-metal structure design. The ideal solution for printing enthusiasts and professional users with the best value for your money. Space 3D uses a UV LED 140-watt high-power light bead matrix distribution to achieve a uniform light source and faster printing speed. It helps you to be more productive and creative, and opens up new possibilities for different industries. Prototypes, architecture models, medical components, or design mock-ups. Space 3D is very versatile and allows you to build whatever you can imagine with an amazing high precision. It is super easy to use with a printing speed of 40 micrometer per hour and an accuracy of 85 micrometer, making it the perfect tool to realize your ideas. We offer 5 different types of resin, but Space 3D is also compatible with most third-party resins that you can find on the market, and you can use color paste to match any color you want. We are a team of 3D printing enthusiasts, passionate about the development of Space 3D. The design is very solid and stylish, so it will not only be a reliable tool to help you boost your productivity, but also look good in any environment. Our mission is to create an affordable, large-scale 3D printer for everyone that creates opportunities to people and helps them to boost their creativity. Please support us and enjoy bigger prints for bigger dreams.